This is Culinary Arts Management, and we have a Culinary Arts Management 1 and 2. We work with the ProStart curriculum, which is recognized by the National Restaurant Education Association, and it provides 2 years of information where the students can get certification. They can go straight out into the workforce during this and do some work-based learning. We have several students already working in the industry.
It's helped me greatly in my career. I'm a second-year student, and from my time here, I've been able to get certifications, and I've been able to get different jobs because of this program. I've learned a lot of the basic skills like knife cuts.
We provide all the basics, we teach them all the cooking methods. And the nice thing about having this program, students are allowed and recognized as if they're going through this program, they know that they've been trained properly. You could just do a rough cut on this. And we all need to eat. The #1 industry in the country is the hospitality industry. I just think it's an excellent program. There's excellent opportunities.